Assalamualaikum students. Today I am going to explain you the Faraday's second law of electrolysis. As I already explained you the Faraday's first law of electrolysis, this is the Faraday's second law of electrolysis. What is second law of electrolysis states that the masses of different substances deposited or liberated when same quantity of electricity is passes through different electrolyte connected in series are proportional to their chemical equivalent weight. For example, you have you have three masses like Ag, Cu and Al. You will connected them in a series, okay, and pass the equal amount of current uh, from each of these element, okay. So the Ag deposited 108 gram because it is the almost mass equivalent weight of that of Ag. Uh, Copper deposited 63.5 and Al deposited 27, uh, as it is the equivalent mass of the respective element. Okay, now we will talk about the unit of current and electrical charges. Here are the unit of current and electrical charges. Firstly, I am going to explain you the definition. What is ampere? It is the unit of current. It may be defined as the current when passes through a circuit for 1 second. Okay, Calibrate 0.00118 gram of Ag from silver nitrate solution. Means this is the ampere is the unit of current and it is defined as the current when passed through the circuit for 1 second. Number two, coulomb. Coulomb, it is the SI unit of electrical charge. It is defined as the quantity of the charge when 1 ampere of the current passes for 1 second. Okay, now I'm going to tell you the definition of the Faraday. Faraday is defined as the quantity of charge which deposited or liberated exactly 1 gram equivalent of a substance. Okay, now what is electroplating? Electroplating is the process that uses electrical current to reduce dissolved metal cations as they form a coherent metal coating on an electrode. Electroplating normally एक मेटल की दूसरे मेटल पे कोटिंग कर देना, that is the electroplating. There are certain use of that of electroplating. So we will talk about the use of electrolysis or electroplating. Uses of electrolysis: it is used for the extraction of certain metal from their ore. It is used to extract ore. It is used in the electroplating. It is used in order to protect the baser metal from corrosion. Many metals are purified into pure metal by the process of electrolysis. Okay, now electroplating, as I already told you, coating of one element into another element is called as electroplating. Advantages: there are certain advantages of electroplating. For example, इसमें बहुत major example है, one element is covered from that of other element to save it from that of the corrosion. Corrosion से बचाने के लिए यूज़ की जा रही होती है. Other than कुछ cheap metals को like that iron, aluminium वगैरह को किसी expensive metal से कोट कर दिया जाता है, like that silver, gold, ताकि वो सस्ता भी हो लेकिन वो देखने में अच्छा लगे, जैसे artificial jewelry वगैरह में किया जा रहा होता है. ठीक है, these are the main uses of that of the electroplating. Now I am going to tell you what is oxidation and reduction. These are the two terminologies which is using over here. Oxidation. What is oxidation? Oxidation is the loss of electron or hydrogen atom or gain of oxygen atom. Okay, and reduction is the gain of electron or hydrogen atom or loss of oxygen atom. Okay, now we will talk about the nickel plating. What is nickel plating? Nickel plating. What is going on over here? You will see. In nickel plating, you will see this is the cathode, that is the spoon is used as a cathode. Then anode is pure nickel, that is over here. Electrolytic cell means this is the solution of electrolytic solution, nickel plus 2 and SO4 2. Okay. Now when the circuit is completed, current is flow from here. On passing the electrical current, the anode which is nickel dissolved in the electrolytic solution, forming Ni plus 2 ions by the loss of electron. As the loss of electron, so the plus charge will be appear over here. Nickel plus 2 ion from the solution move towards the cathode. From nickel from the anode move towards the cathode over there. They gain electron and are reduced to nickel. It's reduced to nickel metal on the surface of the cathode. Means on the cathode it will deposit it as a pure nickel. What is going on? I'm again telling you, this is the whole cell in which cathode is a spoon and anode is a pure nickel. When the current starts flowing through it, pure nickel dissolve into the electrolytic solution, action which is going on at anode over there. You will see Ni solid form जो कि dissolve हुआ in the liquid, ठीक है. And after that this is the reduction, this is the oxidation process at anode, and that at the cathode, this is the reduction process which is going on, and pure nickel will be obtained from this process. Chromium plating is same as that of the nickel plating. You will see over here on the cathode there is a spoon, and at the anode, that is the pure chromium is present over here. Current start flowing from it. Pure chromium dissolve into electrolytic solution. Chromium dissolve into the electrolytic solution, then it goes to the cathode. In the same way, reduction takes place, and the pure chromium will be obtained at the cathode. This is all the reaction which is going on over here. This is the chromium plating. This is the process for the chromium plating. Now this is the work which you have to complete in your copy. Define ampere and coulomb. That what is ampere and what is coulomb, state and explain the Faraday's second law of electrolysis. Write the uses of electrolysis. Describe the process of nickel plating. Thank you.